Ground turkey is something that I have to make on a very regular basis in my training diet, and I found it more interesting to put a little bit of Mexican spice on it, almost like I'm eating tacos every day. So this is my recipe for Mexican ground turkey. First off, the ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of ground turkey, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2½ teaspoons of onion powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin, 2 teaspoons of oregano, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Of course, if you like a little bit more or a little bit less, that's up to you. We have a teaspoon of garlic powder, and then just a pinch of salt, kosher salt if you would like. Next, we're going to move on to mixing our taco seasoning. So all you have to do, this is so easy, is just toss all of your spices into a mixing bowl. We have some great spices that are going to mix up. And then the last spice, the pinch of salt. A pinch of salt is usually about 1/8 of a teaspoon.